Uy, Hayes, nabalita mo yung susunod na kotse sa Edsa Ortigas flyover.
Oo nga, kagabi. I saw the video last night. Grabe, kawawa yung may-ari ng kotse. Kasi parang, di ba, parang sunog yung kotse na, I'm sure total loss yun. Tapos parang, it's very sad to see those type of incidents kasi di ba, parang ganun-ganun lang yung kotse na pinaghirapan mo, di ba? Mawawala lang siya ng ganun-ganun.
Yung question ko nga paano kaya save yung value ng sasakyan ko kung gano'n? Anong klaseng insurance pa yung magre-respond to that?
Well, actually, as a car owner, I think really basic talaga that you should get a comprehensive motor insurance Kasi parang it will really cover lahat ng mga ganong instances, own damage, acts of nature, and those likes para maprotektahan yung car mo.
So yung acts of nature, kagaya nyo sa NAIA, diba? So kahit yung sunog galing sa labas, na dami ka lang, covered yun.
Yes, correct, Eman. Covered yun. Kaya parang, diba, better talaga to get that insurance.
Well, actually, diba, parang ang premium niya is just less than 2% of your car's value. And you pay that annually. Diba, if your car's value is 1 million pesos, mura lang yung insurance na mabayaran.
Yeah, I think it's very good really to invest sa insurance and of course, to get a reliable insurance company for your comprehensive motor insurance policy.
So how can they get that?
Okay, that's a good question. So they just have to get motor insurance sa ating eProtect at bpims.com. So punta ka lang doon sa website and then fill out the form online and then bayad ka na doon and then in a minute or in an instant, you'll receive your electronic policy.
Sige, ma-visit yan eProtect.bpims.com.
Yes.
Sige, bili ako mamaya.
Bili ka na!